Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening both Excel files and placing them side by side so you can reference data visually. Once done, locate the key column you'll use to link records and verify text, numbers, and dates match in format, because mismatched types break formulas. Save a quick backup before proceeding and ensure editing and automatic calculation are enabled. This prevents stale results. Now that prerequisites are set, you're ready to write your first linking formula in the target sheet. You'll build the lookup formula in the target sheet. Choose XLOOKUP if available for simplicity, otherwise index/match or VLOOKUP. For example, reference the lookup value cell, point to the lookup column in the source workbook, and return the desired result column. Lock the source ranges with $ to keep references absolute. Once you craft the formula, test it on one row to confirm correct results. Then drag the fill handle or double-click it to copy down. Make sure you finish by validating a sample of linked rows, then decide whether to keep formulas or convert them to values if you'll share the workbook. Use copy right arrow paste special right arrow values. Make sure external links are refreshed via data right arrow edit links or a manual recalculation. If you encounter hash and slash or wrong matches, check for hidden spaces, leading zeros, or mismatch formats, and use trim, value, or text to normalize data. Fixing those usually resolves lookup failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.